How to sign into Kaiser Permanente account. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to sign into your Kaiser Permanente account. First thing first, open up your web browser on your PC and then simply search for Kaiser Permanente and hit enter. Now you'll see their official website right here, Kaiser Permanente. Click on it to open up their official website. Now in order to log in, you have two options at the top right corner. All you have to do is press on the sign in option to log into it. And once you have done that, you'll be directed to a separate sign in portal. Here, you're just going to have to enter your user ID. And then next, you're just going to have to provide your password. Just make sure all of these login credentials are correct and then click on the sign in option. Now you'll be easily signed into your account. And if you want the browser to remember your sign-in info, click on this to save it so that you don't have to enter your username each time you log in. But you only have to do this if your device is personal or private. You cannot do this on any public devices. Once that is done, click on sign in and you should be good to go. And in case if you've forgotten your user ID or password, you can click here to recover them and then simply log into your account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.